Hi angels, who has time for a little unboxing this morning? I know I do. Go ahead, hit like, subscribe. Let's get started. We're just doing an unboxing this morning, a quick little unboxing, and we'll be back on my channel to talk about these bags a little bit more. So this morning I have this bag right here, and I purchased it from Marc. Here's the box for it. Let's go ahead and see what I picked up. So the first thing I have is my receipt right here that came from Marc. I love shopping at Marc. Every time I go, even if I don't purchase anything, I love just seeing all the bags. They have beautiful Tory Burch bags, Coach bags, Michael Kors, Brumman, Dooney and Burke, Fry, all different brands. They have the luxury bags, Louis Vuitton, YSL, so many designer brands. They have All Saints, which is a brand that I love. I remember Angelina Jolie was one of the spokesperson for the All Saints brand. I just love their clothing as well as their handbags, and Marc does have them. Anytime I go to Marc, I love shopping the jewelry counter. I just love shopping the shoe department. So today, this is the bag that I picked up. Let's see what I picked up this time from Marc. So here it is. So you can see it's in a lovely Marc Jacobs. They packed it so nice. The salesperson, whoever wrapped it, got my item together for me through the mail, went ahead and put it in the Marc Jacobs dust cover bag. And I've talked to you girls, I love the dust covers from Marc Jacobs. I love this pattern, and I love the clothing in this pattern. I love the sweatshirts and the sweatpants in this pattern by Marc Jacobs as well. So let's go ahead and see what I picked up, you guys. You can see the handle poking out right there already. So I went ahead and picked up the mini duffel in pink. She's so pretty and cute. This size is just so useful. This size you can carry and use and run to the grocery store, run out whenever you want to. I just absolutely love this size of the duffel, you girls. The Marc Jacobs duffel. And this is in leather. The leather duffels are so cute. They came in a variety of colors. So I know there was a darker pink that I was really liking. I was surprised I didn't pull and get the darker pink. But I picked up a couple of other pink bags in my collection, and I thought this one just went so well. So they're calling this shade the Petal Pink. So it's a very light, beautiful shade, and they're calling this Petal Pink. So I decided to go with the Petal Pink. The other pink was darker. It was very pretty as well, but it was darker. And here is her strap. Go ahead and get her ready for wear, you guys. Let's go ahead and get her ready so that I can start using her. I'm glad that she has that extra little leather piece for the strap. I don't like when the strap doesn't have that little extra leather piece, and then the strap, this end tail part of the strap ends up just, flying everywhere. I like when it comes with the extra little loop so that you can go ahead and wear it and that other piece of the strap doesn't go falling out. Okay, she looks great with her strap. And the strap is long enough so that you could have her resting, at your tummy, at your hip, wherever you feel comfortable with her resting. But this is the Marc Jacobs, the mini duffel in Petal Pink. Let me go ahead and cut off this tag. Okay. Right there. And I'm going to enjoy wearing her. Let's see the inside here. Let's take out the stuffing. Oh, wow. The inside has that same leather. It's leather in there, but it's yellow. They give you a bright color in there. That's good because then you could really see, the contents and the interior of your bag. Nothing will get lost in there. Sometimes on the interior of like your Louis Vuitton Speedy, how it's like a black hole in there and it's dark and you can't see the items well. Because you get that neon yellow on the interior, you really can see what you put in there. You won't be hunting around and searching for items on the inside. So we're going to come back. She doesn't have an interior pocket. Everything is just in one. It's like one big area of the bag. There's no interior pocket. We're going to come back on camera and see what all this lovely bag can hold. But today I just wanted to, go ahead and unbox my new baby. This bag feels so good in my hands. It's like so comfortable. It's not too big and bulky. We're gonna come back on my channel and talk some more about my lovely mini duffel, the Marc Jacobs mini duffel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Also, put some requests down in the comments below if there's any particular bag that you'd like to see in detail or any handbag that you want reviewed on my channel. I would enjoy talking to you about it and reviewing that bag. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.